around 3.5 to 4 lakhs. But one fourth of my income was in the month of May. It was like I have doubled the amount which I have earned in the month of April. So from the last 3 months, it is like doubling up. I'm a final year student of LLB. I will be having my license within 2 months. And I have started my journey last year while joining LawSeco in the month of February or March. After that, in the first month of freelancing, I can tell you, comparing to that month, currently I have earned like around 100x of that amount. In the initial 6 to 7 months, it was less, as I was pretty young, just 22 years old, and I was struggling to get projects in the starting, as people were always doubtful about my experience. But yeah, I tried my best, and after that, I have received my first project. That was my own project on Upwork. It was in the month of August, I guess, and it was for around 8 to 10,000. And afterwards, yeah, it kept on increasing. And after some time, I discovered that I am doing better on Fiverr as compared to Upwork. Now, I can say till now I have earned around 3.5 to 4 lakhs. But one fourth of my income was in the month of May. It was like I have doubled the amount which I have earned in the month of April. So from the last 3 months, it is like doubling up. I think I got some pretty good reviews over Fiverr and Upwork. I have a good and big portfolio. I have around 15 to 20 services which I can provide. LawSeco has helped me to learn around 10 to 12 of those services. But the rest of the services, I know as there was a demand and no one provides that. So I was learning about all them by my own. And yeah, I was increasing my portfolio. Till now, I have incorporated around 23 to 24 companies in USA. And for around 15 of them, I'm like their full-time contractual based kind of a person. And they come with each and every compliance to me. And by some techniques, I bring them out of Fiverr to my WhatsApp. And now we deal via offline basis so that I can save upon some commissions and all. And yeah, this is how currently I'm working. And I have also learned some few more skills which are required for the companies to run their physical businesses. Like we are incorporating for foreign people in USA. Majority of the people are interested to do some service-based business. And now I can even help a person to sell a product physically and provide cleaning services and all kind of a service. So this is how I have increased my portfolio. And I have enrolled with LawSeco CACS Bootcamp. And I have got 4 courses. And I have completed 2 out of them till now. The first is US Corporate Law and Paralegal Studies. Second is US Taxation. And I will be completing the next 2 within some. Definitely. First of all, I was introduced to all these concepts by LawSeco. And currently, as I keep on posting about all my achievements and some news about the project over LinkedIn, I have 2 or 3 invitations from some CACS and some other companies. They are all related to me and some of our LawSeco students only. Now they are partnering me for the international work. Like they are looking forward to open a company, and for the international division, they wanna make me a partner. Also, I would like to appreciate some extra efforts by LawSeco. Yesterday, I was having some interview with a national company regarding a job in Legal Research Associate. LawSeco has provided me a one-to-one mentorship session and a mock interview session just after I have put up an email to the support team, and they have provided me a session, and I can say it was really helpful for me, and I think it would be having a major impact over. Siddharth Priya sir gave me that session, and Priyanka Sinarkar ma'am was my course anchor for US Corporate Law. Thank you so much, ma'am.